Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to close a Capital One account. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. So the first method is to do so through online banking. So what you want to do is to log into your Capital One online banking account and then click on the account settings or accounts management section to access the account closure options, and just select the account that you want to close from the list of available accounts, and then confirm that you want to close the account and just follow the prompts to complete the process. Now to do that on a phone, what you want to do is to call Capital One customer service at the number right there on the screen, and then just follow the automated prompts to speak with a customer service representative and just request to close the account and provide the required information to verify your identity, and just confirm that you want to close the account, and the customer service representative will assist you with the process. Now if you want to do this in person, what you got to do is to find a Capital One branch near you and visit them, and then speak with a banker and request to close the account. And all you got to do is to provide the required information to verify your identity and then confirm that you want to close the account, and the banker is going to assist you with the process. So there are a couple of information that you're going to require. Of course, you're going to need your account number, so you need to provide the account number that you want to close. You're also going to need a means of identification, so you need to provide either a driver's license or passport to verify your identity, and you may be asked to provide a reason for closing the accounts, but that's not very important. But yeah, these are the things you're gonna need to provide to close your account. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.